Okay, you might not be able to see this.
Alright.
This is going to be very big.
Alright. Yeah, you can't see shit, but alright, yeah.
Shit. Shit. Wait. Come on.
This is our final bomb. Hopefully, oh well, semi-final.
Okay, I like this. Second light both in the line. Actually, I like all three.
Whoa! That method really works. Come on, hurry up! The method's spinning! Oh, come on! Let's get the fuck out of here! Alright, we're safe here,
That's it?
Yeah.
Damn, I think we can go out. Guys, get ready.
Oh, you see the method's on fire now.
Yeah. Get down, guys. I want to get shrapnel.
Here we go! Soak off, that's it.
I know, wouldn't that be funny?
It's not too bad.
That's wet. That's a mess, man. Actually went pretty good.
Well, not really.
Still lucky blaster left, lucky blaster.
Hopefully it blows up again.
Hard behind me for protection.
Oh, wait, there we go, another one.
Oh, boom.
The CO2 canister hasn't done anything. Whoa! Oh, shit! That's what I'm talking about!
Hey, oh yeah!
Yeah, boy!
Oh,
yeah!
anything else?
Nah, that was it, man.
I'm not going near that.
Wait. We should leave it for a while. See what happens next. Oh boy, that was awesome.
That was massive.
Imagine there's like a fucking mortar.
Go check it.
Wait till it burns down.
Yeah. Man, that exhaust is going to be so hot.
Oh yeah.
That was
You might as well just leave it here, man. You're walking down the street find a fucking exhaust in the middle of the thing. Oh, it fell down.
Jack's crappy building. I think that's it, eh?
That's probably the end of it.
Oh, it's fucking sick, that light explosion.